Hi everyone, welcome to Research Methods. I'm going to give you a brief overview of APA citations and references. I've noticed that we get a little confused because some of us use MLA, some of us use APA. And APA is different from MLA. So I want to give you a background of it. This is something you'll use all the way through the MAT program. Okay, so if you were citing in text, if you were writing something about research methods inspires students to become researchers, we can help. And so you needed to cite that and say, I'm going to say it was me. Daly said it in 2000. She found this in 2012. Okay, so that's how you would cite it. You would put it at the end in parentheses with the year afterwards. If you were writing it as Daly stated, then you would go Daly, parentheses 2012, stated that research methods, blah, 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 blah. Okay? Now, if it were more than one author, so it was Daly, and Katavish, then the comma, you would put an ampersand in there when it's in parentheses. When it's not in parentheses, you write out and. And notice that is not in alphabetical order. That is in the order of the authorship. And authors do not want you to mess that up. They want you to leave it as that. But say more than one article stated that research methods inspire students to become researchers, you would include the other citation, say it was, and it would be, this would be in alphabetical order. Say it was Foster said it in 2013. So you see that's now Daly would be what you would go with, alphabetical order, and then Foster. Okay, so you want to do your reference page. First of all, for your reference page, you don't say bibliography. You say references, and it's not highlighted. And it should be double spaced. Okay, so let's cite Daly, D, and Katavish, A, and they are research methods in the MAT program. Okay, first of all, I need to go back and put my date, the year, just the year. And notice that this is not capitalized. Methods, it's not capitalized. The only thing that's capitalized is the first letter of the title. And of course, the MAT program would be a title, so you would, it would be a proper noun, so you would cite it. Now, if you have a colon and you've got some more to add to the title, say, research methods in the MAT program, teachers becoming researchers. Again, you see that the teachers is capitalized because it comes after a colon. Then you would list the journal of Academic Affairs. And I am just making this up, comma, the volume, the issue, and the page numbers, period. Now, if there's a DOI, you would also list the DOI. Now, you go back and you italicize Journal of Academic Affairs, just like that, and the volume. So that's how you would reference this. One last thing, you would need a hanging indent. And of course, I said this is double spaced, so you have to go find your little double space bar. Okay? Now, say you're looking at a book chapter. If you've got one, let's call it Hebron, the year. Philosophy, I can't spell right now. Philosophy and science. Period. Okay. And the editor And notice this is different because the first names come first when it's done like this. And then the title of the book. And then the page numbers. And this time the pages are listed. APA is just notoriously not consistent. Then you would go back and you would italicize the title of the book, not the chapter. Then you also add the city of publication, the state, and the publishing company. Okay? All of this is in your APA manual. I just wanted to kind of walk you through it just a little bit because, first of all, chapters, books, and articles are cited differently, as well as websites and other things. So you need to go through your APA manual to see how they are different. But the biggest thing that I always have with my students is that they like to capitalize the whole title. So I wanted you to see it. This is how it's supposed to be. Thank you for your time, and I'll talk to you soon.